Today we're gonna be unboxing a couple new tools that I ordered from eBay. You see, it seems to be very interesting online, so I would give it a try. I ain't opened them yet. This is my first unboxing, so I don't know if he sell it, rip me off, if they send me something that them make it seem like a boy or whatever. I don't know. But you can see now, it's supposed to be a piping expander, a heavy duty one compared to the older one. Actually, let me go and bring the older one now. This was the older one I had bought maybe about a year or 2 years, actually about 2 to 3 years ago. They used it once to expand. It might expand the aluminum either, but I had used it to expand some. Try to do it with some exhaust, mild steel exhaust, not even titanium, and that was the unfortunate outcome. Just split this one in half. Once one broke, that was the end of that. So this was the new upgrade. They said we'll take a risk with this one. Let me see what's going on. It actually comes with some gloves, a manual, I don't read instructions, so not that you can't read, because you don't want to read. Alright, so we see we got some grease, a performance grease. We got some fittings, basically almost like the other ones there. We have this. So from what I've seen online, actually we can get to it in a moment. I had bought this to get the hydraulic piece. This is a full punch kit. Originally the kit should be able to go back to interchange if you try it, but people, they may realize people doing this little trick and decide to give you 2 different size bolts. Same thread, but 2 different. Actually, it's different pitch thread also. Yeah, it's bolt coarser than this one. It's fine thread. So where this was originally bolted, and this screw on piece now for the equipment expander with screw on top of there. Yeah. So what you're gonna have to do is cut this in half, cut off the top of this bolt, and weld this thread to the top of this so that this is screwing. And the top of this is screwing to this one here then. So what we'll be doing now is just joining to what he's saying. I will just put a slight 45 or so degree bevel in both the ends and build it up with welding so it's as strong as possible. Got the one side. Alright. soy back with my modified 2 soy board. I ain't tried it yet, so trying to go to work. Let's see what's gonna happen on the first test rate. We test it on a piece of plate now. I think this is 3" to 3/4 to 3 1/8. Alright, so we try it from a piece of 3" first, aluminum. First.
Many hours later.
So 4 hours later. This is why you don't buy the cheap knockoff things from eBay. So as you can see, the hose was leaking. I don't know what sort of rubber this is, but I went to the hose place, the hose and fittings place, and they made a complete line for me with fittings at both ends. So you change up basically the whole complete line and start again fresh. So make sure you try it first, make sure that it would work and come back. You can see it expanded nice and even, and fitting in fairly snug. See what happens here now. Where they gonna make or break this tool. Actually look like it's expanding. And then just take it off. Is expanded, but it doesn't expand even because it's 4 corners. So basically you have to do is you take it off, turn it slightly, you know, that it doesn't lean back at the same exact part. You just expand it, turn it slightly, 15-20 degrees. It actually does work very comfortable and easy with exhaust pipe. I don't want to try with the stainless steel yet. I got a feeling the stainless steel is going to be a little tighter, a little harder, but I don't want to try with stainless steel yet. But so far so good. It seems to be a very nice tool. Other than the cheap Chinese line that they give you.